It's family fun day down here at Nadella Excavating. Get all the kids out here. Touch a truck, run a truck, play with a truck. I can't wait to play myself. I'm probably the biggest kid here. Got a little sand pit for the young ones. Handing out goodie bags over there. Stuff. See all the kids. Money equipment. See the kids. They got their hard hats on. They got their work vests on. What it's all about, folks. Rick's going over with everybody how to kind of operate everything for the most part. Got Rich over here working in here. Yep.
Wanna play? Jameson.
Let her rip, Grandma. Oh, Grandma. 83 years old, getting ready to drive the dozer. There she goes. You go, Grandma, you go!
Yeah, Grandma!
Here she comes. 83. Driving a dozer. What do you all think about that?